Hey everybody, how's it going? So today I'm going to be working on the TIG welder, just doing some practicing, so enjoy. So to start off practicing welding, I decided to get some of the old steel tubing that I had for my roll cage, and I figured I'd practice on that since that was probably going to be the most familiar for me. So this is some roll cage tubing that we're going through and we're welding right now with the TIG welder. Just doing some practice passes on welding a couple of the tubes together. For my first time welding with the TIG welder, this was pretty simple. I've welded with arc welders and MIG welders in the past, and those were really easy to get started with. The biggest challenge with the TIG welder is learning how to set the settings on it to do what you want it to do. After playing around with the mild steel for a little bit, I decided I would try my hand at doing some aluminum. Never having welded aluminum with AC settings before, as you can see I'm not having too good success here in these clips. It's just sputtering. I obviously don't have the machine set right to make this happen. It's either way too hot or the balance settings are off. At this point I have no idea what I'm doing. So I give up for now and I go and look up some settings as to what it should be for the specific thickness of aluminum that I have, and this is me making a few attempts with adjusting the WeldPro settings to what it should be. As you can see here, after changing the settings, it made a huge difference on the quality of the welds. You can see the first few ones that I did there and how it was just sputtering and didn't really do anything. But after getting the settings adjusted to proper settings, it makes a huge difference on how it welds the aluminum. Going through and refining the settings a little bit more and making sure I had the electrode all set up properly. I am now going through and doing a couple more passes, and these ones actually turn out really well. I hope you all enjoyed seeing what this WeldPro Digital Tig welder could do. If you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.